Take a comfortable posture. Loosen up your body. Keep your eyes gently closed. Allow yourself to prepare for this meditation, to prepare yourself for the body relaxation. Any comfortable posture, any comfortable mudra is okay for this meditation. Concentrate on your breath. Observe your breath, the way it is going in and out. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Complete concentration on your breathing. Allow your body to relax. As you concentrate on your breath, your body will slowly relax. At this moment, I am going to count from 5 to 1. With each count, you will slowly enter into the deeper state of meditation. 5. 4. Allow your breathing to slow down. 4. Going more deeper and deeper. 3. Allow yourself to enter into the deeper state of meditation. 2. My voice will only help you, guide you to go more deeper and deeper. And 1. You are entering the deeper state of meditation, allowing your body to completely relax. Visualize both of your legs completely getting relaxed. The toes, the heels, and the ankle joints are completely getting relaxed. Each and every cell, blood vessel, nerves, and muscles are completely getting relaxed. Allow this relaxation to flow into the calf muscles, the knee joints, and the thighs of both the legs. Letting go all the pain, letting go all the stress. Allow both the legs to completely relax. All the noise from outside will only help you, guide you to go more deeper and deeper, very, very deep. Allow this energy of relaxation to flow into your lower back, relaxing your spine, upper back completely getting relaxed. Each and every cell, blood vessel, nerves, muscles completely getting relaxed. Letting go all the pain, all the stress. Letting go all the negative energies out of your body. At this moment, allow this energy of relaxation to flow into your hip joints, relaxing your reproductive system, the lower abdomen is completely getting relaxed. As this energy flows upwards, the relaxation becomes more deeper and deeper. Allow your navel area, the upper abdomen, to relax completely. The digestive system, stomach, intestines, large intestine, small intestine, liver, spleen, pancreas, kidneys, adrenal glands completely getting relaxed. Allow your digestion to become normal. At this moment, I am going to count from 1 to 3, and with each count, you will go more deeper and deeper. 1. Allow yourself to go more deeper into the deeper state of meditation. 2. And 3. The energy of relaxation is becoming more intense. Let this energy relax your heart, the chest region, experience the beautiful energy of relaxation, making your lungs more healthier. As you experience the chest region becoming healthier and relaxed, you can feel more of oxygen flowing inside your body. Visualize your chest becoming clear. In this deeper trance state, listen to your heartbeat. Feel the blood circulation from your heart throughout the body. Experience the beautiful vibration of relaxation in your entire body. Allow your throat, neck area to completely relax. Each and every cell, blood vessel, nerves, muscles are completely getting relaxed. Allow your body to relax. Visualize the muscles of your face, cheek, chin, forehead, the muscles around the eyes, ears, nose, lips, completely getting relaxed. Feel the relaxation within your face. As the muscles around the eyes relax completely, your eyes become more closed, taking you more deeper into meditation. Feel your body becoming more lighter and lighter. Lighter than before. Allow this relaxation to flow into the back of your head and rising to the top of your head. Each and every cell, blood vessel, nerves, muscles are completely getting relaxed. Allow your body from the top of your head till the toe to relax. Experience this energy of relaxation flowing throughout your body. As the body relaxes, your mind is also getting relaxed. The chatter of the mind is reducing, letting go all the negative thoughts, letting go all the tensions, worries and stress out of your body and mind. At this moment, I am going to count from 1 to 3. With each count, experience the positive energy flowing inside the body. 1. Allow the positive energy of happiness to flow inside your body. 2. Experience the energy of peace flowing within your body. And and 3. Let the energy of joy fill the entire body and mind. For the next couple of minutes, experience this inner happiness, peace and joy. The entire body is filled with positive energy. Your mind comprises of positive thoughts, positive energy. Say to yourself, I am happy, I am healthy, my body is healthy too. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Allow this happiness, peace and joy to stay with you forever. Let all these positive thoughts anchor in your mind for a very, very long time. With this positive thought, at this moment, I am going to count from 1 to 5. With each count, you will slowly return back to the present moment. 1. Allow your body to align with the present moment. 2. The blood circulation in the body is becoming normal. 3. Experience your body and mind becoming more healthier than before. 4. Conscious and alert. Slowly return back to the present moment. And 5. Arise awake and alert. Slowly return back to the present moment. Whenever you are ready, place your palms on your eyes and relax. Complete the meditation. Take your own time to return back. When you place your palms on your eyes, gently open your eyes within the palm and blink your eyes. Look into the palm and then slowly remove your hands and look into the outside world. Open your eyes and complete the meditation.